Today we are going to be continuing looking at transversals, and we're going to be writing equations to find a value of x or to find a value of the corner, the angle. So first problem we have is we've got 5x minus 30 up in this angle, and then down and across we have 2x plus 27. So first we need to figure out if these two angles are equal or if they add to 180. So these angles that we're looking at, these are on opposite sides of the parallel, so that means that they are alternate. And then they're both outside, this one is outside of the parallel lines. So that means they are exterior. So here we have a pair of alternate exterior angles. And if we look back at our notes from last class, we can see that alternate exterior angles are going to be equal to each other. So what that means is I can take 5x minus 30 and I can set that equal to 2x plus 27. Because again, they are alternate exterior angles, they are equal. So now to figure out the value of x, we can go to our calculator. So we looked at this back in Unit 1, and we're coming back to this. So what we want to do is go to Math, and then click the up arrow to the Numeric Solver. So when we get here, I'll press Enter. And in E1, I'm going to put this first half of the equation. So I'm going to type in 5x minus 30. And then on the bottom half, where it says E2, I'm going to put the other piece of the equation, this 2x plus 27. So then to get our answer, I can press Enter, and then I also need to press Alpha Graph to get my final answer. So here, x equals 19. And that's our final answer on this one because it just wanted the value of x. All right, let's look at another one that's a little different. So here we have another one asking for the value of x. So first we need to decide what type of angles we have. So here we've got 7x plus 5. And down below it, we have 2x plus 13. So if I look, these angles, they are on the same side as this transversal. So these are same side. And then if we look, we need to decide, are they inside the parallel lines or are they outside the parallel lines? So if I look, both of these are inside the parallel lines. So that means they are going to be interior angles. So when we have same side interior, if we look back at the notes from last class, we'll see that these two will equal 180 together. So that means I want to do angle 1 plus angle 2 to equal 180 degrees. So what that'll look like is I'm going to take the first angle, so 7x plus 5, and I'm going to add this angle down here, 2x plus 13, and that will equal 180 together. So again, first we want the value of x. So I can go back to my calculator, and again, I can press Math, go up and enter to get the numeric solver. So this time on top, I want both of these together. So I want 7x, not that, 7x plus 5. And then I'm also going to add the other angle of 2x plus 13. And then down for E2, expression 2, all I'll put is 180. So here I'll type in 180. And then again, I'll press enter. And then to get my final answer, we'll press alpha graph. So I can see this time my answer is x equals 18. But we have one more question here, and this one wants to find the value of each angle. So let's start with this top angle. So our top angle, we know, is 7x plus 5. But we just found out that x is 18. So what I can do is take this 18 and plug it in for x. So I can have 7 times 18 plus 5. So if I go to my calculator, I do not need the numeric solver. There we go, just want this screen. And I can type in 7 times 18 plus 5. When I press enter, I'll get that the top angle is 131. Then we can do the same thing for this bottom angle. So our bottom angle is 2x plus 13. So we still take our 18 and plug it in for x. So this time I'll have 2 times 18 plus 13. So back at my calculator, 2 times 18 plus 13, when we press enter, get 49. So that would be each angle. The top is 131, the bottom is 49. So with all of this, now you'll have a Google slide to practice finding the values of x and practice finding some angles.